Hey there, welcome to Global Crypto TV. I'm James Preston, I'm your host, and in this tutorial we're going to show you how to open up a trade on Bybit and also how to deposit some currency, some cryptocurrency into your Bybit account. We're going to use a South African based cryptocurrency exchange called Valor, and we're going to buy some Ripple and send it across to Bybit. So we're going to show you how to do that in this very short tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to actually send some crypto to Bybit, and we're going to show you how to do this, okay? Now, we're going to have a reference link in our market analysis here, right? And all you need to do is click on the reference link there, and it will take you through. So that obviously all helps Global Crypto. We're not going to lie to you. We're not going to say, you know, we're not going to try and make up any stories. The reality is it helps Global Crypto. We appreciate your support. We've never charged anybody for anything, and this is one of the ways that we support ourselves. So we appreciate your support. If you don't have a Bybit account, click on that reference link. It will take you to this page here. And then you sign up. So now we now have a new Bybit account with no with no crypto in it. We're going to send XRP. Haha, all you XRP army people are going to be amped. All you altcoin haters are going to hate us. But the reality is right now ETH gas fees are very high. Bitcoin on Bybit can take over an hour. We want this to be quick. Ripple is called Ripple for a reason. It's quick. So we're going to deposit some Ripple, okay? So we're in our assets page. You may come to our home page here, right? And we are in, and you want to look for assets down here. There we go, my assets. Okay, so there we are, and we want to go to Ripple. We're going to say deposit. It's going to give us a Ripple address. So we're going to buy some Ripple on Valor. So we're going to log into Valor, sign in. It's going to ask, likely going to ask for a two-factor. So let's get that. And we're in. So you can see I have a portfolio value in Valor of 130 Rand. So as you can see, everyone asks me, are you rich? Not really. So we're going to buy some Ripple. How much do we have here? 0.01, that's nothing. We want to buy some Ripple. Can you buy it with fiat on Valor? Let's have a look. Yes, you can. So let's buy some. We're just going to do a market order here very quickly. 107 Rands worth. Gives us 29 XRP. Review buy, confirm the buy, and there we go. We now have 29.01 Ripple. We're now going to send that Ripple out. So we're going to go to wallets and our Ripple, and we're going to say withdraw. Okay, and we're going to copy our Ripple address. We need to make sure we get our Ripple address good. So our tag. Okay, so now you want to check that whole number. This is for the noobs, right? I do this quickly. I check the middle, the beginning, and the end. So RJN2 middle 1936J Woo, 1936J Woo, and then 3AppQH happy. There's my tag. Let's copy my tag. It is that. We want to maximize that. 1429526, 1429526, happy, review withdrawal. We have checked everything, so we are happy. Email authorization sent, so we need to verify it on email. There we go, sign a notification from Valor, and there it comes. Authorize the withdrawal and authorize the transaction. And we are going to need another 2FA. Success. So it's been sent. Now we just wait. We sit and we wait for the amount to come in. Confirm. We are happy. All right. So we're now going to sit and wait for the Ripple to arrive. Okay. It's always good to check. Maybe Bybit do things differently. Do Valor, how long do Valor take to process their Ripple exchanges, their Ripple withdrawals? Have a look at this. if we go to my email, which is here, it's already arrived. 29 XRP successfully withdrawn. Now, has it got to my Bybit yet? Let's have a look. We can go to my assets, and there it is. There you go, 29 XRP. So that is the equivalent of 5.9 USD. Now, you can't trade with XRP, right? Inverse perpetual. Let me see what inverse perpetuals they've got. If we go to trade, top left, let's see the options. You've got XRP, so you can trade XRP, you can long XRP or short XRP, but because you have XRP, right? But we want to trade Bitcoin. I prefer to sit in US dollar tether, so that would be with USDT perpetual swap. So you trade. So when you're out the market, you're sitting in US dollar tether, which is a little bit safer. I mean, some people would argue that tether itself isn't backed and is dangerous, it could collapse. So there is that risk, but with Bitcoin's volatility, I am comfortable sitting in tether when I'm out the market. So I play that specific market, US dollar tether perpetual. The inverse perpetual is what most people use, and that's what we're going to do here because we're sitting in XRP. So we need to transfer our XRP into Bitcoin. Okay, so we need, that's only $6 worth. So we go to Assets Exchange, XRP to Bitcoin. Okay, single limit 20 XRP. Let's have a look. So available balance 100%. Get the quotation. The quotation will give me 62,000 satoshis. Okay, is that correct? 62,000 satoshis. Yes. So we are going to convert that Bitcoin. We're happy. Confirm. Please take note that will affect your current liquidation price. And there we go. So now we've got some Bitcoin. Now we can trade. We can do that trade. We go to the inverse perpetual, and here's Bitcoin. As you can see, it's already moved. It was 952 earlier. So we want to go 6x leverage. We're going to max it out because it's only $6 US. All right. So let's do it. So we're going to trade our 100%. There it is. But we want to go 6x. So there it is. You can edit that. Leverage is 5x. You can edit that to exactly 6. We're going to go according to Graham. This is just for those of you that want to trade according to Graham. If you've analyzed the market, different story. But there we go. We're at 6.66 leverage. So my order value is that 100%. And there you go. So we're going all in on the market. So that is a $40 trade, even though, as you saw, we've only got $6 worth. All right, so that's the great thing about trading leverage. We're going to take a risk on $40 worth of a trade, even though we've only got $6 available. But that means our liquidation price is much higher, which is a risk. If it falls through our stop loss, the stop loss doesn't execute, and we get liquidated, we lose our entire balance. So even if we only traded 50%, our entire balance would get liquidated, and that is how exchanges that offer derivative trading products are able to fund those losses when people are trading with leverage. So you do need to understand that. Okay, so we're going to go 100% at 6.66 leverage. We're going to go in at market so we don't miss it. We don't want to miss the boat. 100, 6668, and buy long. So we're longing. And there it is. Now the great thing is it gives you a take profit and a stop loss. Yes, we click both, and we're going to confirm what did Graham say. So we say your take profit should be up here, and we're going to set a stop loss at 9,300. We're going to say 9,310. Now 10,490. Graham's, the thing about Graham is as an analyst, he has rules, strict rules and parameters that he sticks to, and I respect that. But I have personally learned many times that I would rather take the profit than miss out. And so in this case, if it gets to 10.1, I'm going to be happy. So that's what I'm going to trade at. I'm going to trade at 10.1. So I'm going to take my profit at 10.1. Okay. Take profit, stop loss, brilliant. And because it's a market order, it's going to execute. If I had set a limit order, the price has moved since I've been doing all this, right? The price has actually moved. So market order, even though the fees are a little bit higher here, at least I'm not going to miss the market because it's going to enter me at the market value. And confirm. Submission failed. Let's try again. Confirm. And it went in. Market order filled. Lovely. We're now in a position. What a pleasure. And that's it. So now you can see over here you've got your position. So there's our position. We've in worth $40 worth of Bitcoin that we're in a long position. Our liquidation price is all the way down at A3 because it's only 6x leverage. If it was 10x, if it was 20x leverage, our liquidation price would be much higher. And that is obviously if it doesn't hit our stop losses, right? And here's our conditional. Our conditionals are your stop loss and take profit. So it's automatically done that for us. On other exchanges, you would need to work it out and set conditional orders yourself. But our stop loss is 9310. And so if for some reason Bybit doesn't execute that stop loss and it goes all the way through down to our liquidation price of A3, then we could get liquidated. So, but I've traded a while on Bybit. I've never seen a stop loss or a take profit not trigger. And if it hits 10-1, we trigger. Fantastic. And that is how it works. That's trading on Bybit in a nutshell. If you want any questions, hit me up on Twitter at JamesPrestonZA or at Global Crypto TV. And be sure to join our Telegram where you can get more of these analyses from our financial analyst Graham and many of our other great community who put out a whole bunch of different charts and different trades as well. So Cornell is a great guy as well, and Saurav as well. Saurav sent some stuff through not too long ago. Let's have a look at Saurav's stuff. Lindley is one of our community managers as well. Lucky as well. Lucky's been great. There we go. Saurav, our man. Often looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. So there we go. That's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how to trade, how to send cryptocurrency from Valid to Bybit, and how to trade on Bybit. Until the next edition, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, our podcast channel, and of course our newsletter at globalcrypto.tv. Until next time, cheers.